How to start email marketing in under 3 minutes. Welcome to our quick guide on starting email marketing effortlessly. In just a few minutes, you'll learn the basic steps to begin your email marketing journey. Let's dive right in. First, choose an email marketing platform that fits your needs and budget. Popular options include MailChimp, Constant Contact, and Sendinblue. These platforms offer user friendly tools and templates to get you started. Next, build your email list. You can do this by adding a sign up form to your website, offering a subscription link on social media, or encouraging customers to subscribe during checkout if you own an online store. Remember to collect consent to comply with email regulations. Now, design your first email campaign. Use the platform's templates to create a professional looking email. Focus on a clear and engaging subject line, compelling content, and a strong call to action. Personalization can boost engagement, so consider adding the recipient's name. Test your email campaign by sending it to yourself or a small group to check for any mistakes or formatting issues. This step ensures your content appears just as you intend it to look. Finally, schedule when your emails will be sent out or send them immediately, depending on your strategy. Monitor your campaign's performance by tracking metrics such as open rates, click through rates, and unsubscribes. These insights can help you improve future campaigns. And there you have it, a simple start to email marketing in under 3 minutes. If this guide was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tips and insights.